Madam, good afternoon. Customer, fine customer.
See your skin very fine. Let's see the
See what she's selling now. Evidence. Evidence shows.
Which cream did they use?
Nivea.
Bring them.
I can give you Nivea. It's very, very nice.
Bring them.
Wow. It's very, very okay. If you use this one, under 2 days.
It's just my first go there like
Under
that.
2 days. I trust her.
Okay.
No.
I have two soap.
Which one? Which one?
I don't know. I need to dip it once.
How are they?
Like,
Look at her. Look at everything I will put her.
okay. Very nice.
Under 2 days, don't shine.
Hey, Chineke, I want shine, no. I want shine, no.
You already shine. But if you use this one, you will shine.
How about for
I tell you about this soap. Very nice. My friend is using
After this powder, is it foundation? Or powder? Which one do you use?
bring foundation. Foundation.
See this one is very okay.
So it will make my face proper.
See this one is very okay.
So it will make my face proper.
What of this lip gloss?
Bring that, thank you.
Which one do you like?
Give that big lip.
Bring the pink one.
The pink lip.
Pink one. This one is good. How many days here? I can buy all of them. Don't worry. I can buy all of them. I can buy all of them.
Hey, this one where is
Eye pencil. Okay, bring eye pencil. After eye pencil.
Is it black or brown?
Huh?
Is it black or brown?
See that one where they did. How many days inside? Keep my man. I can buy all of them.
Oh, you buy hey, today,
That's it. That much.
They're using okay, no, we don't have that.
You are buying this one.
Yes.
You are buying this one. And the foundation. And all of this. This is 6,000.
Okay.
This one is 3,000. This one is 4,000. Okay, my friend, let me go.
Just give me total.
Customer.
The address in here is 6,000.
6,000. So total na how much?
6,000 plus 6,000. Only 12,000. Plus 4,000 is 15,000.
Pack it for, let's go withdraw
Bring
money.
nylon. Yeah, bring nylon. Bring nylon.
Pack everything, we are coming.
So let's withdraw for that POS.
Okay.
See POS here.
Okay. You're not with cash.
We are coming now.
We're coming now.
Okay.
Hey! He said
waiting
better
for you.
things.
Hey.
Let's go
I'm waiting for you.
That's why they enjoy.
Let's go withdraw.
Enjoy.
Let's go withdraw.
You are fine. You are fine.
Let's go withdraw money, no time.
Go. Madam, don't push me. Who is there?
I don't know what you don't know that
This one, 15.
What size is this?
Which size do you want to buy? Why are you buying it? Is it for you?
No, for my
For who?
for my husband.
Your husband?
Yes. He wants this color. Red.
You want it, Abi? 15,000.
It's too much.
For this product, roughly how?
Not 5,000.
You know, say men clothes they cost no money. You know, it's not like ladies.
But not
own.
before this quality. Now this one don't get quality.
Madam, what happened to the quality? What is wrong with the quality? This is the best quality you can get, though. I sell quality clothes.
Whatever.
Looking inferior. Madam, give me. Don't worry.
Which one be giving? I saw they say your market.
Madam, leave the
Chaka, Maka. What's happen?
which one be look inferior? This shop will look never inferior things.
Madam, don't be waiting.
If you don't want to buy,
I price. I bet I won't buy.
You won't buy.
Now 5,000 I guess.
Give me, madam.
How much you go sell?
15,000. 15,000, madam.
Take a miss, not
Which
the
one
promise.
5,000?
Now,
Which one
why
5,000?
they promise?
Hey, what happened?
Why
What
you come back
happened?
to my shop?
What
happened?
Come out for you. Sure.
What happened?
Look at
Now?
this woman, though. She came here price me this stuff 5,000 naira.
Now what for you? How can you be pricing this for 5,000
Now,
naira?
what's in there?
Men clothes.
I know they sell, madam.
With
Go.
your bad mouth. That is
How
how
they
you
sell?
used to do.
How do you know that I have bad mouth? Did
You
I say
come all the way
anything
from
bad?
your house. You come here, come the price for 5,000 naira.
5,000 naira.
Eh? If you don't get money, go tell your guy you don't get money.
Una
Please.
sell- They sell
I beg you, come out from our shop.
Abi, you want to buy my
Which
boyfriend?
kind price is
Abi,
that
you
one?
want to buy my boyfriend?
If you don't want buy, go.
Beat me, I know they go.
I no go beat you.
I know
Just
they go.
let them
I know
go.
they go.
Go.
Madam,
You
don't
don't
push
go.
me. Madam, don't push me.
Not go the price for 5,000 naira. You know
Why
that
I no go
shame.
price? Don't be
You
waiting
know that
like
shame.
this.
5,000.
You
If you
don't
don't
show.
get money, go. If you don't get money, go. Don't if you
I
don't
know
get
they
money,
go. I know they go. I know they go.
Madam,